Honorable Sara Mateke ebyabigambo byabana kwaso mu butongore ekitongore kya Gesese cyahibwe empatane yo kombeka Uniteji hamwe n'abandi abatunjire empatane yo kombeka Hospital Theatre ahirwaro rya Kisoro Hospital. Minisita nagira ngo ekino bacegicerera government ya NRM ahabwo kukunda abantu ba Kisoro.
Today, as Kisoro district, we witness another big occasion towards an improved healthcare service and enhanced community well-being. And I will not forget that we are doing all this because of the NRM government. So we want to thank you for always addressing the delivery of services to the people of Uganda and in particular Kisoro.
Ubwo nagira ngo ikintu kiza kutuma eby'amagara byaterera mu district ya Kisoro nuko kicendeza ha mubaro gw'abantu bose rero bafa ahubwo kubura ubuhereza.
Having a dedicated facility for isolation and containment is indispensable. It provides a safe and controlled environment for managing contagious illnesses, safeguarding both patients and healthcare workers.
Kisoro is a unique place. One, it's one of the hard-to-reach areas in the country. Two, its location, being at the border, gives it that unique status.
Okurigirira haro Dr. John Okum, or Commissioner wa Construction Ministry eby'amagara, nagira ngo Kisoro nemwe hamarwara 39 garukwenda kutunga ubuhereza nkovu konka abashazire mu kutandikira mu district ya Kisoro hamwe n'isingiro. Ogu nagira ngo eishemerezo hamwe na isolation unit nuza kumaraho sente z'urukurenga billion mushanju kandi yaraganisa ngo mbwire ukene batekwa kuba bahereze kombeka theatre etwire ryo mu mbera mbi.
This facility is supposed to be a facility of about 40 beds on completion, but phase 1 is going to be for 20 beds. We have block A and block B. It was designed to international standards. It should have been a specialized hospital on its own.
Iki nicho iniyo mpano ya mbere mu NRM ihaye abafumbira directly nk'impano yo gutoresha na kujana. Mugende mumbire President Museveni ngo chairman wa Kisoro district yagushimye.
At one time we would have cases for isolation when Dr. Baganizi was still the MS here. Because I had disease surveillance here, I would call him and tell him I'm bringing a suspect of Ebola. And then he would ask me, Nick, where do you want me to put this suspect?
Dr. Diana Twinorio muhandici w'entura habwa Ministry eby'amagara katayira hirwa rera mezu mukaga gahingwire yareba ryo mu mbera mbi mnongano ko koraganisa ngo Ministry eby'amagara neza kugira iki yakoraho amakoraga gashakwa Kate atuzarire.